Hi everyone, welcome to Style3D channel. In this video you will learn some of the functions under the measure in the menu bar. First of all, we see that under the measure, it is divided into three parts. First is from Edit Avatar Measure to Height Difference. This part is a measurement for our models. And then the Edit Garment Measure to Point is about our garment measurement tools. And then, Circumference Tape. First of all, let's introduce the first part, and we'll start with the second surface circumference. First, we point to the surface circumference measurement, and then we put the model in the 3D viewport. Draw a circumference measurement line on the model's body through 3 points. Then we see that the measurement line is perfectly close to the model's skin, and then, in Object Browser on the right, under the avatar measure, a new body measurement will be added and we can change the name of the measurement line, like the B2. This is the second basic circumference. Then we also draw 3 points on the model's bust to form a circumference, and then we will find that the basic circumference line and the surface circumference line, although both are circumference measurement, obviously their measurement method are different. The basic circumference it more likes a ruler. And some parts of the human body depression. It's about crossing over in a straight line and not drawing right up against the skin. Then let's look at basic tape. It is actually a measurement line drawn on the surface of our model, and then we click on the body of the model. Still look at our chest circumference, because it can be better displayed, and then found that our basic tape and the basic circumference just look the same, which is also a kind of ruler effect. It does not follow the texture of the skin to make measurement lines. If you want to measure the length of the body surface, we can select this surface length. Then still across our bust see that here is able to measure the length of a concave line part of the curve. Okay, so now we have 4 lines of measurement, so if I don't need this line of measurement, how do I delete it? We can click on Edit Avatar Measure. We select these measurement lines and click to delete them. Okay, let's see the next avatar height. We just click on any point on the model. It then pulls a vertical line to the ground, which shows the height measurement. And then we can do a height difference measurement here. Just click on 2 dots on the body, it will also pull out a line perpendicular to the ground, and show the height difference between these 2 dots. And then we also delete these 2 lines. Next, we have the second part of the garment measurement. Let's press Shift+C to display the garment. There are 4 ways to measure the garment. They are the drawing of straight line distances on the garment, the drawing of circumference lines on the garment, the point-to-point measure on the surface of the garment, and lastly, the measurement of the internal line or the contour line of the net edge of the garment. First, let's demonstrate the first one, which is a linear garment. Let's hide the model first. Click on 2 points on the garment. The line is found to be the straight line distance between the 2 points on the garment. It is not measured along the surface of the garment. The next one is the circumference garment. For the circumference measurement, we don't need to click on the garment, just move the mouse over the garment and it will automatically display a circumference measurement line for us. We can simply click and it can be shown under the Object Browser on the right. And then the next point-to-point measure, and it will be along the surface of the garment pattern. Draw a measurement line. It is not a straight line and a 2-point measurement because it is formed on the surface of the garment, so a measurement line will appear on the corresponding pattern in our 2D window. And then, the last one is a measure by line, which we can do on top of the board in the 2D window. Draw a line along the net edge. The measurement on the line is displayed, and accordingly, its measurement value is also displayed in the window here on the right. Then we can also find the size values in the Object Browser on the right. The model has a lot of presets for the type of model and some of the common measurement lines we use. The measurement line on the garment is mainly measured by ourselves, and then its type and length are shown here. Then we want to remove these measurement lines from the garment. We can click on Edit Garment Measure. Then select these lines in the 3D window, then press Delete to delete them, or select the lines in the 2D window. Press Delete to remove it. The last function you see is the circumference tape. Let's press Shift+A to show the model first. The use of circumference tape is that we can first draw a circumference tape line on the model. Again, a circumference line is drawn at 3 points. Then we can show the garment and then on the garment as well. Draw an internal line or its net edge. At the waist, draw an internal line. And then we can use the measure attached to avatar. Then inside the 3D window, click on the internal line of the costume and then click on the tape of the model. Do the same thing again and simulate. You can see the internal lines of garment attached to the avatar tape. This is also a very good tool to use the runway and the waist of the pants production. In the next lesson, we will introduce the setting in the menu bar. I hope some of the tips will help your modeling work. If you like what we do, please liking, commenting and sharing this video. Thanks so much for watching and I will see you in next video. Goodbye.